And that's how you get monetized. Just follow those 3 easy steps and boom.
Like, I've been waiting so long to get monetized.
I'm finally monetized on YouTube.
I did not. So yeah, it took me longer than a year.
The first video that I published was on November 13th, 2022, and I got the email to become a YouTube partner in October 2023.
Welcome back to the channel. The title to this video is a little tongue-in-cheek. I mean, no, I'm not monetized, but trust me, I can tell you exactly how to get there. And a little disclaimer for anyone that stumbled upon this video, this is not a how to do YouTube channel. I don't really focus on that. I'm not exactly sure what I focus on, but it's not that. I just happen to make this video, and I may make 2 or 3 other videos in the same space in the near future, but that's really it. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'm gonna tell you all the things those YouTube help channels don't wanna talk about. Now, if you look at my channel, it'll tell you I started this YouTube journey back in 2021. That's not exactly true. You see, I posted my first video December 31st, 2021. Then subsequently posted another 7 videos at about 2-week intervals. Then I took a bit of a hiatus, well, like a 2-year break. I had to fight the Grim Reaper and whatnot, but that's a story for a different day. The point here is I really didn't start doing much on YouTube until about February or March of this year. And in that time, I've grown my channel from about 30 subscribers to over 1,700. And I've posted around 26 long form videos and 10 shorts in total. Now, the requirement for monetization is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I quickly met the subscriber requirements, but the watch hours are another thing, which in my opinion really comes down to average watch time. So if you've made it this far in the video, the obvious question you should be asking yourself is, how am I gonna tell you how to get 4,000 watch hours when I don't have 4,000 watch hours myself? Well, before you click off this video and ruin my average watch time, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you exactly how to get those 4,000 watch hours in just 1 second. First, let's talk about subscriber count. Look, there are thousands of videos out there that will tell you all about how to create, engage in videos, and all the dynamics of turning a viewer into a subscriber. But the reality is, if you want more subscribers, you need to make more videos. These videos are like your little worker bees. They're out there working for you 24/7, searching for an audience, searching for your audience. And the more worker bees you have, the better. It's almost like hiring employees to promote a brand. The more of them you have out there in the streets, the more people are gonna hear about you. So make more videos, but make quality videos. I meant it, because you see I did this with my hand, my fingers. And obviously you're gonna get better making videos with the more videos you make, but you don't want little crackhead worker bees out there promoting your brand. You want a lean, mean little guy like that Cheerios bee. I wonder if that's even still a thing.
Buzz, you saved the delicious honey.
Well, it is what makes Honey Nut Cheerios so delicious.
And here it is, the answer you have been waiting for. But make sure you stay to the end of the video, because after this, I'm gonna tell you the 2 things that no one else is talking about. Now, in order to get monetized, get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you simply have to lie. You have to lie. Lie through your teeth. Tell a story. Tell your story. Tell the greatest story ever told. I don't know. Somebody help me. I'm over here trying to get monetized too. Why are you even listening to me? Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I started making this video as a bit of a joke, but I couldn't not have value because I'm awesome. And it's almost impossible for me to not create something that has value and people want. It's just how I'm built. Really, the lying part is not that far off. I mean, no matter what you're talking about or what your niche is, you're an entertainer. You have to tell a story. And is it okay to embellish a little bit? Sure it is. Take a page from President Trump's book. Build suspense. Build a lie. Build a story that people care about. And that will build you a monetized YouTube channel in no time. Because at the end of the day, you're crafting a narrative. And the more compelling that narrative is, the more people are gonna watch. And the longer people are gonna watch, which is key to building those watch hours. But the part about making more videos is literally the most important thing you can take away from this video. But it's not for the reason that everyone is telling you. There's no luck on YouTube. There's no magic bullet or secret formula to creating a viral video. Just like with everything in life, what you need starting out that big businesses already have is data. That is the barrier to entry for everything. You don't know what you don't know. The more videos you create, the more data you collect. And your ability to review that data and make changes is the difference between channels that make it and channels that don't. And yeah, my channel is tiny, microscopic even, but I run a media company that is closing in on $1 million a year. And YouTube isn't even part of that. Everything I've done to go from a 9-to-5 to owning my own company has been supersized by data and my ability to adjust what I'm doing based on that data. It doesn't matter how I feel or what I want or what I think people want. If you have a large enough sample size, the data will tell you exactly what you need to be doing. Do not ignore it. That's why I don't have 1 million subscribers. I need more videos. I need more data. So I'm just gonna keep plugging away and figuring out what works. But the other thing that most of these YouTube help channels won't even bring up is, should you even be doing YouTube? I mean, a lot of people see it as some get rich quick scheme or this easy thing to do, that you just need a camera and a computer or an iPhone and the views will come in. Sorry, it doesn't work like that. YouTube is a business. So the question is, should you start a business? Now I'm gonna do an entire video on this, so I don't wanna give too much away, but if you don't want to be a business owner, then why even try this? I think most of my videos probably suck, and I'm still spending hours on scripting out videos, hours shooting videos, and even days editing videos for nothing. This is what's called sweat equity. But in order to turn that sweat into cash, you have to have a plan. And that plan cannot be, I'll just make videos until one of them hits it big. If you're serious about it, first off, you need to identify the skills and tools you need to run a business and fill in the gaps that you don't have. Then you really need to ask yourself, why YouTube? People talk about a niche all the time, but I don't think it's really that. It's about serving your viewer. Where can you add value? Where can you give your viewers something that they aren't already getting, or a better experience than what is currently out there? If you end up on YouTube because you saw some guy get 1 million views and thought, oh, I can do that too, you're probably gonna be one of the 1 million YouTube channels that fails. And yes, I said million, because that's what you're entering. A landscape that has over 100 million channels to choose from. And over 30% of those no longer upload videos. It's a terrible business strategy to think you're gonna be the 1 in a million. So make a plan and let data guide that plan. And that's it. That's how you get monetized on YouTube.